Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change Avada form field styling in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Avada form builder. Now you see layout. So we are going to change it. Now go to edit form. So this form we are using contact form. Now you see Avada and then click on form and you can edit your form and then scroll down. In Avada form option you see appearance and then you see preview width 100%. Now you see preview background color, so you can set Avada form background color in appearance, label position above below, label font size you can set it, required field symbol decoration yes, tooltip text color, tooltip background color you can set, field margin, field height. Now you see by default 50 pixel, but you can set custom. So this custom styling and setting apply on this form only we are using. Now you see field font size, background color, text color, label color you can set. Now you see border size. Now you see 0 pixel we are using. In bottom we are using 1 pixel. Field border color, focus color, border radius. So you can do styling according to requirement and then click on update. So this custom styling apply on this form only. Now post updated, go to form. So this is the form layout. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.